The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monroe County in east central Ohio, southeastern Noble County in east central Ohio, northwestern Wendell County in northern West Virginia, southern Marshall County in northern West Virginia, till 2 p.m. At 1:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mason City, or near New Martinsville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include New Martinsville, Mason City, Sardis, Fly, Antioch, Stafford, Grayville, Porters Falls, Proctor, Hannibal, Withers Mills, Lowings. Moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.